In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL of your content in HubSpot. We'll walk through updating the web address for one of your landing pages by editing the content slug. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to a HubSpot account with permission to edit website pages. And remember that changing a URL can affect existing links and search rankings, so plan your update thoughtfully. Begin by opening your browser and heading to HubSpot. Log into your account, and if you work across multiple portals, confirm you're in the correct one for the site you want to edit. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar. Hover your mouse to reveal the navigation, then locate the section where your website content lives. From there, choose Landing Pages to see a list of your existing pages. Find the specific page you want to update and click it to open the editor. At the top right of the editor, select Settings. This is where the page's key details live, including its title, meta information, and the page URL. In the Settings panel, look for the page URL area. You'll notice that the domain is fixed based on your connected website domain, while the part you can change is called the content slug. The slug is the portion of the address that comes after the slash. For example, in example.com/summer sale, the slug is summer sale. Click into the Content Slug field to make your edit. Keep best practices in mind. Use short, clear words that describe the page, stick to lowercase letters, and separate words with hyphens instead of spaces or underscores. Avoid special characters, and try not to change URLs for pages that already have strong traffic unless you have a clear reason. Type the new slug you want and pause for a moment. HubSpot will automatically save your change. You'll typically see a small auto-save confirmation indicating your edits have been captured. If your page is already live, the new URL won't be public until you publish. When you're ready to push the change live, click Publish in the editor. Publishing ensures the updated URL is available to visitors. If you're replacing an old URL that's already out in the world, consider setting up a redirect from the old address to the new one, so you don't lose traffic or create broken links. That's it. You've updated the URL of your landing page by editing the content slug, ensured it's saved, and published the change. Take a moment to communicate the new link to your team and update any internal references. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.